Uh, so I gave him the prompt to change the title to Ali and gave him the file index.html. So yeah, it previously it was just opening the file and it was not showing the diffuse,
Okay,
but I managed to get it fixed and now it shows the diffuse correctly.
nice. Can you show us the code
So
where that was broken?
yeah, can you guys see my screen?
Yes.
Yep.
So basically, this was our editor reference, the Monaco editor reference, and below here we were we were trying to get this model right. But when all of our tabs were closed, this get model was returning null for some reason.
Mm,
So, and there was a condition in this code that used to check if our model is not ready. It was returning without any error. So that's why we were not getting error on our screen. So I basically
mm.
did that we should pass the current editor reference to the hook so that it could make the model ready. It will first check if model is ready. If the model is not ready, it will try to create the model by using the content and the URL.
Okay, great.
Yeah. So after this commit, I will move to the apply all button that should allow us to accept multiple file changes.
Okay. Yep. Thank you. Thank you, Abdul, very much.
Yeah.
So, for the next step, you're going to add the apply all button. Um,
Yeah.
are you going to make that in the chat, or are you going to make it
Basically, we could. There are two possibilities for accept all right. One that could allow us to accept all of the changes in different files. I think we should display this in the AI chat. And if we are talking about multiple changes in a single file, then we should go with floating button. We need to have two
Okay.
accept all buttons.
Okay, great. What are you going to add first?
Yeah, the first we will do the AI chat one because that
Okay,
will be a little easier to do it
sounds
first.
good.
Yeah,
So, yesterday, for most of the day, I was getting like the streaming was hanging. I didn't change. Abdul, I'm gonna mute you, and you can unmute. Just let me know if you want to talk, okay? Because it sounds like you're in a helicopter right now. So, um, so I have just fixed. I didn't fix this. I did nothing, and it fixed itself. So maybe we were rate limited, but really not sure. Maybe it was just an outage. Um, so that's working. Maybe we want to set up some alerts in the future so that we know when stuff is breaking. Possibly.
Um, like what model were we facing issues with? Because there was an outage recently.
Oh, we're using Quen 32B coder right now.
Also, yes, the default one. Yeah,
Well, what do you
I heard there was an outage
of?
recently
What was the
of
outage of?
of some providers, some attacks. I mean, Anthropic tweeted about it yesterday, I think.
Mm, okay, but that seems unrelated because this is Quen running on Bedrock, right?
Yeah, no, that's why I asked.
So you don't think it was related to that outage? Um,
Yeah, maybe not something else, but maybe we were rate limited.
Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna assume that it was just a glitch. But yeah, we should probably get have notifications for that. Um, Otherwise, yeah. So that's all working fine now. I'll just go through the GitHub real quick here. So we currently have 61 issues. Almost all of them, Akhilesh or I have replied to. Um, Aside from these, congratulations to our two winners who made most of these. And um, yeah, no, let's go to the PRs. So also one of these will be fixed by Abdul's last update. So PRs, Victor is working on these, and he has told me that they are in progress. So I am going to mark these as drafts. Okay, cool. Now we will go back here. Okay, so Burhan, I guess you have decided this one to let it go.
Yeah, because I was looking at it in the morning, and
Yeah,
yeah, and I mean there is too much to handle, but too much cases to work around with, and the arrow key stuff, giving like providing the whole bash
right.
environment, it's difficult.
Yeah, I mean, you would effectively have to create a bash shell on the client side,
Yeah,
um, which is which is not impossible. But then what about auto completion? It's like auto completion has to come from the sandbox itself because it has to know what
yeah,
files are there. So yeah, it ends up becoming a bit of a mess.
yeah.
Good effort
I mean,
though.
I was happy with how it was looking. It
Before,
felt snappier. Yeah.
yeah. Well, yeah, it's not all appearances, I guess.
hmm
So
Yeah,
yeah, I
this
mean
is just a
it's
small.
impossible. What's this? Okay,
This is just a small PR for file upload validation.
okay,
Yeah,
cool. Okay, okay,
just a function and then checking that.
okay, okay, and okay, cool. Okay, did we already have this defined? Yeah, we already had that defined. The allowed file types.
Yeah, but it's actually in the layer of. I mean, it's in the different layer. If you go to select all files and end up uploading it, it would just go through.
Oh, so it depends which way you upload it.
Yeah,
What are the ways that we can upload right now?
like if you maybe yeah, if you click on here and on files,
Yeah.
and then I don't think the stream can see it, but
No.
and at the bottom you would see the show all files, and then
Yeah.
even if you select something that is out of the scope, it would still go through,
Okay. But what
which
about
was the
dragging?
issue. Yeah,
Okay. So what was this being used for before?
this was being
Um,
used for the. I mean, if you don't click on show all files, it's gonna restrict you. Does that make
oh,
sense?
really?
Yeah.
Not really. I don't have the show all files button. Um,
Maybe I could show.
oh, like custom files versus all files.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh,
It should be at the bottom.
yeah, I see that.
Hmm.
Wait, but you have to go out of your way to do that.
One sec, maybe I could show.
Uh huh. Okay.
I'm gonna share my whole screen. Yeah, is it visible?
Mm-hmm.
So if I click on the upload thing and then go to images, like right off the back, I can upload these files, right? Because this is like code files.
Uh
But
huh.
if I click here and go to like all files and try uploading something, it would go through, even though, and it's showing up as an image, which is untrue.
Right, right, right. But that's not. I get that. I get that. But there must have been a larger issue. Like, you can. Is this also like a drag and drop thing?
Yeah, I mean, the behavior should be the same. I could try.
Well, actually, drag and drop doesn't work. So I'm just wondering why. Here, let me look at the behavior that was reported in the. That just seems like very very pedantic. Um, let's see. So here you have this, and then they go to images here. Let's have a look. Attempt to upload a non-image file, text or Java. Observe that the upload succeeds without any validation error. Okay, repeat in a file upload section using an image file. Click on files and attachments. Um, so this. Okay, so I think there's two different things here. There's first of all that this was reported on Windows, and then you're doing something on Mac. So here, the upload
Yeah,
window is
but
very different.
the behavior is the same. Yeah, but what they're doing in the second step for reproducing, like when they select uh like the full stop, that just means select all from all files. And yeah. But what this PR does is like it checks before uh like letting it go through.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, so they're going custom files. I see that. I see that. Okay, that's the same. Yeah, that's the same behavior. Right.
Yep.
Yeah, I guess that is useful. But I think it's mostly going to be useful when we have like drag and drop, because like it's not like it's like you have to really go out of your way to create this bug, like a user does.
Right. Yeah, yeah, that makes
Right.
sense.
Right. Like you have to explicitly force the system to allow you to upload a non-recommended file, and then right,
Mm-hmm. And that would
it's not the
that would
default
make
behavior.
sense. Yeah, that would make sense when we do
So
drag
the
and
de-
drop. You're right.
so so the default behavior is actually not a bug here. It's just that there's an option that allows you to.
Force it.
to upload other files. But I don't know if that's bad. Right? Like in the future,
Mm,
yeah, I don't know if it's bad to allow binary file uploads.
I mean,
Like, what
if
is the bug
if
that we're actually fixing?
I mean, if like in theory, if we have the drag and drop thing in future, that's just gonna help with that.
Yeah,
Hmm.
but it's not.
It's not
I
really
guess.
a crucial issue. You have to force it to, make sense because the default behavior is should be fine unless you force it.
Yeah.
Mm. Yeah, that makes sense.
It just seems like. Um, let's see here. File type. Mhm. So the supported file types are um, use the images option. If no file type or not is allowed file type, file type.
If it doesn't exist or it's the wrong format,
But why does this say only image files are support? Oh, because there's an image section.
yeah, exclusively for that.
Okay, let's see. Show us here. So you have images. Okay, and then it opens an image.
Mm-hmm.
So that one also works unless you change the menu. Okay, I see. Yeah.
Yeah,
Um, okay. All right. Sounds good. Cool.
yeah.
Anything else?
No, I mean, yeah, that should be it. It was just a quick PR.
Cool. Cool. Yeah. Well, I think one of the next steps that we have to do is to um, go through all of these and prioritize them.
Prioritize, yeah.
All, so I think the best way to do that, I was thinking about a little bit. I think the best way is just going to be to under labels, probably just start with by adding a label called priority high, and yeah, we'll like literally just we'll literally just do something like this, and then we can add this label to some. It's messy, but it'll work for now because there's so many issues that we do want to focus on, like the ones that are like for example, the one Abdul is fixing right now. That one's very high priority, but I didn't see it because it's buried. So yeah, that's something
Yeah,
we
makes
should
sense.
do in the coming week, so we can filter by those. Cool. Calculation Victor, if you made it this far, thanks for watching and congratulations.